A nice little technique that isn't too difficult to get the hang of is something called palm muting. This is where you lightly place the fleshy part of your hand, this bit here, across the strings at the bridge of your guitar, resulting in the strings giving off a dampened sound. This technique is used in everything from classical to disco to thrash metal. In fact, any type of music where stringed instruments are played. As always, it's a lot easier if I show you. Right, we'll just start by playing an ordinary D chord going to A minor. Now when we palm mute, basically the fleshy part of the hand, place it on the strings, just gently place it on the strings and play as normal. So open, palmed. As we get really brave, we can have a mixture of everything. And of course, we can use all the chords. I'm sure there's no need for me to mention it, but not only can you play chords, you can also pick individual strings. When you have a play around with this technique, you will find how easy it is to apply and how effective it is into adding to your songs. Especially when using intros. Give it a go, you've nothing to lose. So that's it for now. I'll see you all very soon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment even, and click that little bell thingy bob down there so you get a nice little ticket in your pocket every time I upload a video. What other YouTube channel caters for needs like this one? So all that's left to say is, hey Michelle,